Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Sometimes I do projects that are really big and it's not really a DIY job, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you guys one of those projects. Currently, I'm changing a black tank and a gray tank on this Fusion Chrome. It's a 2018. There's two empty boxes. I've already got the new ones up and installed. I still have to drill the holes in the top. But here's the old black tank. It actually has a crack all the way down it, as you can see, and then it's cracked here as well, the attachment. But yeah, we went ahead and replaced the gray tank while we were up there too, because we found that it had some problems as well. We think happened is maybe they were full of water and they froze, or this one kind of maybe looks like it was damaged either during transportation or something, because the top is so cracked here and we couldn't figure out why it did that unless they overfilled it and then traveled down the road with 44 gallons of wastewater. But yeah, let's go over here and take a look at what we got going on. Quite the mess. I used quite a few tarps, but we shall see. We're gonna go underneath the RV here. And voila, brand new gray tank, brand new black tank. I have to tie up all the wiring and clean it up more. This is how it was, honestly, when we took it apart. So if you're looking to buy one, don't let it deter you. This has LaSalle Bristol valves on it, which have the long cable. If you're ever wondering like where your cable is really long, what those look like, this is a LaSalle Bristol valve. And this one over here is the black tank. But kind of a cool setup. I put all brand new seals and everything in there. I don't play around when I'm changing out black tanks and gray tanks. Normally I don't even do it, but in this situation I was able to help the people get the job done. And I just have to drill the top and then attach the toilet and all of the vent lines in the top of the roof to the gray water and to the black water one. And then we'll put a new underbelly underneath here. But before we do, we'll clean up all this wiring mess and everything I got going on here. I got to hook up all my wires for the sensors on this particular unit. It's red, green, yellow, and then white is your ground. But Icon makes these really nice waste tanks or gray tanks for RVs, and they actually come with the nuts on them already, as you can see here. And this fitting here is already on there, but you have to attach this other fitting here that I did. It's a T1005. I sure hope you guys can hear me because I'm underneath an RV. But my hat is off to Icon. I really enjoy their waste tanks. They're worth every single dollar. I mean, I paid $150 freight just to have them shipped to me from a distributor, but it was worth every penny. And I would definitely highly recommend Icon waste tanks or gray tanks for your RV. These ones here are 44 gallons. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check some out, and also put a link in the description for LaSalle valves. They're called LaSalle Bristol valves. And then this here is a T1005 fitting that actually goes on the end of the waste tank and then attaches to the LaSalle Bristol valve. It comes with these bolts and nuts when you buy new seals for it, which I thought was really nice. And that's, you know, kudos to LaSalle Bristol on doing that for us. So we really appreciate them as well. But, you know, a DIY job like this is not really recommended, you guys. I mean, it takes quite a bit of work to get this done. This is not day one. You know, you get started and do what you can. I'm out in the middle of nowhere here, but it's kind of nice. These people have waste tanks installed for this, and they set it up to live in out here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it taken care of and get this job done. If you guys have any questions, by all means, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'd love to answer them. And Until next time, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and safe travels, guys.